Ever wondered why your stomach growls when you're hungry? It's a fascinating process your body undergoes called borborygmi. It's not just hunger, but also digestion and gas movement that cause these rumbling sounds. Here's how it works. When your stomach is empty, it signals your brain to start the digestive process. This signal triggers muscle contractions and releases digestive juices. These movements, along with the gas and fluid in your digestive system, create these rumbling noises. So, the next time you hear your stomach growling, remember it's just your body doing its job, keeping you healthy and nourished. So, go ahead and grab a healthy snack to silence the growls. And that's your interesting fact for the day. Stay curious, stay knowledgeable,